again. I'm Cicely Noto, and welcome to the Inside Hospitality Solutions news channel. The IHS Hospitality Report is your video resource for useful information and valuable tips that help you with all aspects of your property and guest experience. Make sure to hit that subscribe button below so that you never miss a new episode. Today, we're going to be focusing on an exciting innovation from our vendor partner, Lodging Kit. It's called Room in a Box. Anyone who has opened a hotel or a vacation resort knows all too well that the process of stocking guest rooms with all of the necessary supplies, linens, and equipment is a huge challenge. Just think of all that goes into getting a room ready. You have to think about everything from the hair dryers, television sets, light bulbs, kitchen utensils, telephones, clocks, furniture, and on and on and on. Usually, the process involves managing delivery and installation dates across a wide range of suppliers and service providers, each with their own ordering and shipping requirements. It's a lot for anyone to manage. But that is where Room in a Box comes in. With Room in a Box, all of the operating supplies and equipment for each room comes in one convenient package. You select the supplies and equipment that you need for your rooms, and then you receive a package for each room, containing all of the items that you ordered. Lodging Kit works with you to understand your unique needs and provide a Room in a Box package that fits your design requirements and budget. To learn more, visit lodgingkit.com and check out their Room in a Box. The time and money you can save is well worth it. That just about wraps it up for this week. Don't forget to become a member of the Inside Hospitality Solution. Just go to www.insidehs.com. Registration only takes a moment and it's free. Stay tuned for more and hit that subscribe button below. I'm Cicely Noto, and this is the IHS Hospitality Report. See you next time.